In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add the Photos widget to your iPhone home screen. Adding a Photos widget to your home screen provides a personal touch, displaying favorite memories or aesthetically pleasing images right at your fingertips. To do this, simply long hold onto any free space on your screen. Tap on the Edit button on your upper left corner of the screen. You will want to select on Add Widget. Select on the photos and choose how you want your widget to appear on your screen. There are various styles and categories. Tap on any to successfully get added to your home screen. This enhances the visual appeal of your device while offering convenience by allowing easy access to your photo collection without the need to open an app. That's how easy it is to add the photo widget to your iPhone home screen. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.